Hey guys, what's going on today? My name's Tyler. Today I'm going to go briefly over OBLN. We're going to talk a little bit of what I saw, what led up to my trade, and witnessing a short squeeze. So let's get into it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Alright, let's go.
Good morning, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and go over the OBLN ticker for today. There's some key things that we want to note about this particular stock. This stock was being looked at by a lot of short sellers. Very weak in the early morning pre-market, had a nice push up high and faded. So shorts are typically going to look for a pop up and then fade, pop up and then fade, with a stop probably around 210, 220, somewhere in there. That's where they're going to want to cut their losses. Some key things about this particular stock. This stock, so let's see here, OBLN, if I can find it. OBLN, where are you? Oh, here we go. It's at the top, should be at the top. Okay, so what do we notice? Shares available to the public. It's probably less than that. The float is the shares that are available to the public. This may be available to everybody. However, we have a relative idea of what the shares are. 7 million shares. That's a pretty low amount of shares as far as the stock market's concerned. Very low market cap. And look what we have here. Look how many shares this has been traded. This has been traded more than 10 times its amount of shares available, its float. So you're gonna get some very irrational moves where it's not gonna react the way it wouldn't typically. However, that's what it was. Now here it wasn't as, it was still high, but not 100 million. So let's get into it. So first, you're gonna mark out your pre-market highs. $2, $2.20, and let's go ahead and see what happened. So it starts to push up, still kind of getting that push towards 2. Now shorts are going to want to start coming in. Boom, red candle. Shorts are starting to size into their position, and look what we have. So as you start to see, you're getting shorts haven't claimed a reversal yet. It hasn't claimed a reversal. This is still bullish, right? So that's why shorts are going to want to start scaling in. Now you start to see another scale in. People are starting to add to their size around that $2 line. Longs are looking to sell at around the $2 to get whatever profit that they had. And then you get another reclaim. So we're getting lower lows and higher highs. So once it broke past this 208 level, you get this short squeeze. Shorts are covering their position around 210, 215, and they are accepting defeat. All of these short sellers are hitting the cover, which means they are hitting the buy button, while longs are also hitting the buy button, because this is now considered an irrational parabolic move. And you know this because there is now no more resistance on the daily chart. Down here we have the daily chart around let's see, we got around 184 here, a high 206 here. So in the last year, this thing has not been above $2.10. So when it broke that level, there is no more bag holders at the moment. I'm still new to trading, so there could be something that I'm missing, and if I am, please let me know down in the comments. I'm trying to be as humble as I can. I am still somewhat new to this. This is just what I see. So we're going to go ahead and hop over into the actual live trading and show you guys how it panned out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. again, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, give me any type of feedback that you want. I will gladly take it. Alright, so I'm back here showing my live trading. We are going to go over everything that is happening. So as you see, that $2 level is now basically getting broken. And remember that stop for a lot of shorts is going to be that 210, 215. So basically what I'm looking for here is just confirmation that shorts are now being squeezed. And if you noticed, I went ahead and got in right around 218. This stock is being very irrational, and if some short sellers do not get out, they will continue to basically create a short squeeze. There's no more resistance for short squeeze or for shorts. So I look for the squeeze up towards 250. So I'm just watching the level 2 and the tape. And I do know that the $half and the whole dollar is considered just a generic resistance level. So I'm actually not panicking when I see this dip, because I do know that I got in at a good time. So we're starting to creep up towards the 250s, and I actually got out. So what I will do is I will just let the video kind of play out the rest of the way, and feel free to continue to watch it. That was my key signal to go ahead and get out. It definitely does come back down. However, it does make another attempt at new highs, but continue to watch and see how it panned out. And if you have any questions, again, leave them down below. That'd be much appreciated. So hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you guys learned anything. This was a learning experience for me, and hopefully I can pass this on to anybody else that may need this. So y'all have a good day. Welcome back. Everyone thought I was gone, but I am back. So, for those of you who are still watching, thank you. I definitely appreciate it. So, I missed out on this one. However, it was just, I don't want to say a short squeeze. It was in a way, and it probably, I mean, my best guess is that that's what happened. But 250 again was that general area of resistance, and some greedy short sellers, or try to find the top. Everyone's trying to find the top or the bottom. So in this particular situation, that's what it looked like. Shorts confirmed. They said, okay, 250 is the top. I'm going to size back in. I already took my loss. I'm going to scale back in. Or they never cut their loss to begin with, and they're still scaling in. So again, that 250 level was significant. So when that broke, we're getting that push towards 270. It's going to pop up to 280. And again, we're going to look for that other 50 cent range, because this is a parabolic move. The only thing we can look for is $half and whole dollar resistance levels and support levels. There's no other resistance. I mean, look at the daily down below. So again, this could have been a great opportunity to get in, maybe at 260 for the ride up to 3, or a scale out at around 290, 296. And as you notice, if you give it a second, it actually pops up to 3, and it does reject off of 3, and that ends up being a wrap. So I'll just let you guys finish watching. Just had to come in here and add that. Again, if you made it this far, appreciate you a whole bunch. And if you could, leave me a like. That'd be awesome. All right, guys.